Today I have a taste for cheeseburger macaroni. This classic dish is so much better when made from scratch. It's a great weeknight dinner everyone enjoys. These are all the ingredients I'm going to need for the recipe, so let's begin cooking. I start this delicious dish by preheating my large deep saute pan on medium-high heat for 2 minutes, and I'm going to brown 1 1/3 pounds of lean ground beef. Let's break it up very quickly. I'm going to start seasoning my ground beef with 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of Montreal Steak seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. I'm also going to add 1 yellow onion, finely chopped, and 3 tablespoons of garlic cloves that I grated. I'm going to turn the heat down to medium and break up the beef real good and fry it with the onions, garlic, and seasonings. You may also want to use ground chuck or ground sirloin, but make sure you drain the fat. I'm going to let it brown for a few minutes. Now that the ground beef is brown, I'm going to open up a little spot in the center of the pan, add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and fry it right in the center. I like developing the flavor of the tomato paste by frying it. Then you start incorporating to the meat slowly. I want to add more beef flavor to this dish, so I'm adding 1 teaspoon of beef base. If you don't want to use beef base, you may add 1 beef bouillon cube. You may add a teaspoon of granulated beef bouillon cube, or nothing at all. But I really like the flavor that the beef base gives this dish. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And mix it up. Add 1 tablespoon of ketchup and half of a teaspoon of yellow mustard. Trust me, it makes the dish taste awesome. And this dish is put together very quickly, so it's good to have all of the ingredients on hand. Now it's the right time to add 2 cups of whole milk and 3 cups of beef broth. I am using salted beef broth. Stir, and this is going to taste wonderful. There you go. Now I'm going to cover the pan and let it come to a boil. The broth is boiling, so now I'm going to add 2 cups of elbow macaroni. You stir it, let it start boiling again. Cover the pan. It has been 3 minutes, so I'm going to stir macaroni. Look how gorgeous it is already. My goodness. This is what I call cheeseburger macaroni. I'm going to cook it for another 3 minutes and check on it again. It's coming along. See, I love extra meat. Cover, and I'm going to let it cook until the macaroni is done. Now that the macaroni has been cooking a total of 10 minutes, I'm going to stir a little bit. I'm going to turn off the heat. Now it's time to add the cheese. Here I have 1 1/2 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese and 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. I got the blocks and I shredded them myself. Mix it all up. Look how nice. I like to let the cheese melt through. Wow, everyone, this is awesome right here. So now I'm going to add the final touch, 1/4 cup of sour cream. It does it justice, trust me. If you don't have sour cream, you may use plain yogurt or even cream cheese and mix it up. And as always, I'm going to place the recipe in the description of the video. And this is my cheeseburger macaroni recipe. Delicious. Yum. The gorgeous, the appetizing, the mouth-watering cheeseburger macaroni. This is amazing, everyone. Look how creamy, full of beef, the way I like. Are you going to have cheeseburger macaroni for dinner tonight? I am. This is a fantastic dish. It is so good, everyone. Are you served the amazing cheeseburger macaroni? So I hope you like the recipe and I hope you make it tonight. Thank you for watching.